What's up guys? So in this video I wanted to talk about the challenges of being a new YouTuber or the reality of a new YouTuber. Okay, so when you start your YouTube channel, the kind of things you're going to face, your challenges. So let's get right into it. So the first challenge here is, which is probably the most important one, is that you work very hard on a video and you have almost zero views. Okay, this is very common when you just start your channel. You're gonna work hard on the video, edit it, shoot it, the scripting and writing and all that. And then when you post the video, you wake up in the morning, try to check your YouTube or your YouTube studio to see if, how far the video has done. You probably see like 10 views or 20 views or very, very small views. This is very okay because when you start in a channel, you have to understand that you're building an audience. So you have to build your audience. So yeah, of course, YouTube can recommend your video if it's good, great titling. If you've understood the algorithm, you can make good videos that YouTube can easily recommend. But this is very normal, so you have to know that you're not alone in this. This is what all new YouTubers, probably 99, almost 100% of all YouTubers face when they just start their channel, including the big ones that you're looking up to. All right guys, so the second challenge is you have to do everything yourself. Okay, like you have to do the planning of your video, scripting, shooting, video editing, writing the title, designing the thumbnails. All of that falls on you. And that is something that when you look at your big YouTubers, like people that inspire you, you realize that they don't do this job themselves. Okay, they even don't, some of them, they have people that give them ideas for good content. They have people for all these activities. They have a designer for thumbnails. They have a video producer, they have a director, they have people writing their script and all of that. So they have all these people doing these specific tasks to bring together a good content. But you, as a new YouTuber, all of these responsibilities falls on you, especially video editing. This is something that takes time, and not everyone like to sit in front of their PC for a very long time to do an edit. And if it can be quite boring or exhausting when you do it for a very, very long time, but when you enjoy it, it's going to not be that bad for you. But one thing that is good about this challenge is that it's also a space for you to learn how to write script, learn how to shoot videos, learn how to edit videos. So this is one very common challenge you're gonna have as a new YouTuber. All right, the third challenge I have here is lack of equipment. Yeah, this is a challenge that will be very, very common if you just start your YouTube channel. A lot of people want to start YouTube channel. They probably just have their phone, maybe a tripod or a selfie stick. But I want to say this: do not let lack of equipment, stop you from making good content. You can make good content with what you have around you. I only have my phone. Like, this is my old phone, but this one I'm using to record is the one I bought because I want to be making content with it. And then I have this mic. This is a pretty cheap mic. I bought it at City Center. Then I have a tripod. Okay, but a lack of equipment is something that's going to be a big deal. But maybe you don't have like a good camera for a good video quality, and you don't have good lighting. I have a problem with lighting. I don't have a good lighting too. So that's something that's going to be very common, but try to use what you have around you to create a good content, because the value of the content is way more important than the quality of the video. So you might have a good value, your content still have a bigger chance to fly out there and go viral. Okay, so yeah, that is one challenge that you're gonna see, and it's quite frustrating when you don't have that. Right, the fourth challenge you're gonna have here is camera confidence. This is very common when you just start your channel, because to be able to talk to a camera, talk properly so someone can watch a video and feel like you're talking to them, it's not as easy as it seems. As people may think, it's not as easy as that. It's very different from communicating with someone. Yeah, I've watched a lot of videos that helped me. I've watched videos from Ali Abdal and from Thomas Norman. They have good videos on how to talk to camera. I have stumbled so many times trying to make this video. I have a lot of issues with talking in front of the camera. It's not that easy. Sometimes I just go blank, like what I want to say, I just forget it. For example, this is what happens sometimes. All right guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be talking about, oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, so you see that, but camera confidence is something you can build with practice. It takes practice to be able to communicate properly and feel comfortable, talk naturally in front of the camera. I'm better now, but I still have a lot to learn. So camera confidence is one challenge you're gonna face. Another challenge that might affect you as a new YouTuber is social proof. For example, if you drop your video and other people have similar topics and you and their videos have more views. For example, you're scrolling through your homepage on YouTube and there are two videos talking about how to write an essay, right? So one video have like 200,000 views and another video have like 20 views, right? So there's a very high chance that most people would watch the video with 200,000 views when you're searching for that same topic, right? Instead of maybe your video got just 20 or 17 views, but people easily jump to watch the 200,000 views video because of social proof. It looks like to them, it looks like this video has more value. Meanwhile, it's not always like that in most cases. The video of 17 views might have more value, but because there's a similar topic and someone made a video that went viral on that same topic, people might choose to keep watching that video. That's something that might affect your videos on YouTube, but that's also based on the fact that you're still building your audience. So it's something that with time, it won't affect you that much. So keep your head up. Another thing that new YouTubers might have when it comes to shooting their video is where to shoot the video. Some might say, I don't have a good room, I don't have a good environment to shoot my videos, like I don't have a YouTube studio where I can record myself. Well, I am basically shooting this in my room. I'm sitting on my bed. If you look over this TV, your AC is there. It's just, I live in a little studio. All right, let me show you how it looks. All right, see, so this is my room. This AC, wardrobe, table, TV, kitchen. My bathroom is in there. And this is where I just shot this video. Okay, it's my fridge, 2 ring lights, and that's my door. So I live in a studio. That's just it. So you just really shouldn't make any excuse. So you can see that this is my tripod, and I was sitting right here shooting the video, and that's the script. Yeah, so that's my room. So you see, this is where I shoot my video. So don't use this as an excuse to not make your content. If you have idea for good content, you should make the content. It doesn't matter where you are at this point. Just try to use the things around you to make a good content. Okay guys, so that's just a few challenges I want to talk about. I know there are more challenges. You can drop them in the comment section. So I just want to talk about these challenges because it's very common, and I want you to know that you are not the only one going through it. All your big YouTubers, all of them, they went through the same thing. They've just built a huge audience that works very well for them, and when you do the same, then you're not going to have the same problem anymore. Okay, so it just takes time. I want us to keep our heads up and keep doing it, keep pushing it. Just know that YouTube is worth it. I just started YouTube a very short while ago. It's worth it. I've seen so many changes. I can really say it's worth it. So keep pushing, and with time, when you get monetized and you're not making money from YouTube, use the money to invest in your platform. Buy good equipment, buy the things that you really need to make you have good quality videos. Then you can keep making great content and you post them on YouTube. All right guys, so thanks for watching. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video. So if you want to learn something else, click this video right here, and I'll see you later.